Daddy Kano is the one who take away all the balloons at the back of the car. So we're here, guys. Anyway, their water here, guys, is not 30 cents. Yes, 30 pesos, guys, per gallon of
For 5 gallon.
for 5 gallon. So gana dudong da. Kusgana ga. Selamat dong ha. Thank you. That's part of the animal that we found here in this house, guys. Babe, agay.
They're normally harmless unless you.
Good morning, guys. It's time to cook pasta for the day. Yes, these are all my ingredients. The virgin olive oil and the pasta, the cheese, the hot dog, onions, and red bell pepper, garlic, and yeah. On a medium heat, guys, we have to preheat the oil to saute our onions, garlic, and red bell pepper, and some other ingredients here in this pan. Ito na siya, guys. Luto-luto tayo, luto-luto. Good morning, everyone. It's time for cooking. And yeah, this is the first step to make the pasta. Breakfast pasta for my two Superman. As we can see, guys, it's now getting golden brown. And the next step is this one. Don't you worry, guys. I washed my hands. So it's going to be everything clean while I make my dishes. Oh. Let it sit for a while. So this is the red bell pepper, additional taste and additional aroma to our pasta. Mix, mix, mix. And we're going to let it sit for a while in a still medium heat, guys. So let's set it for a while. And Daddy Kanwa is doing watering the plants down there. And the kid is playing here. So they're hungry now and soon to eat. Pretty soon, after I do the cooking. So this is our area here, guys. Just doing a watering the plants. There's a lot of cucumber in there. I wrapped some of the baby cucumbers a while ago this morning. And still have here as well. Ay, nako, kasaba ni mo lang. Okay, so I already seasoned it with salt and pepper, guys. So I'm now adding on the sauce of our pasta and incorporate it all together. Here, and there. Mix, 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 mix. Voila! Yummy lang! Wow, it looks delicious, guys. Look at that. Have a corn, hot dog. Wow!
Yummy.
So let's set it for a while.
Huh?
Have a yummy?
Mm.
Ooh, that's a cheese! Ooh! Ah, daghana po di mong kuha, oy. Okay, the time's done and it's now being boiled. Okay, we're going to transfer this, guys, to the plate and the breakfast is ready. You hold the camera for mama.
Yummy, so yummy.
Just
So
hold the
yummy.
camera.
So yummy. So yummy.
Yummy!
So yummy.
Okay, that's our plating and it's not yet done. And this is it, guys. Look, it's very delicious. Say hi. Say let's eat, guys.
Guys.
Let's guys. Okay. This is for breakfast, guys. Pasta. And it really is so delicious.
Mama.
Thank you. So we're going to have our breakfast now, guys. Let's eat. Oh my god. After the food, what to do? Hurry up. Dance man ka. Nah. Ding, ding, ding. That's after the food, guys. He's done eating, so he's now having a lot of energy to dance. That's it? Okay. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you watching, guys.
Thank you, Mama.
Nah, di mao. Sundas, mama. Thank you
Thank you
for
for
watching.
watching.
Tanaw, ari. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Kaya nalabas mo.
Okay.
Be. Let's go. Cucumbers for today. Lami. Welcome back, guys. I'm here at the top of the Japanese shrine here at Valencia, Negros Oriental, and our lights still on. So yeah, this is the stairs that I was walking into. This is the view. The view, guys, look, there's somebody else. The two bikers here. Very nice view. Flowers. And yeah, look at that, guys. It's a Japanese language which typical Filipinos cannot understand or cannot read. It only here there's a garbage. That's the shed. It's broken, the shed. Some other area there. And this is their monument. And that's it. A nice thing in here, guys, is cool air. So fresh. And oh my gosh, the view. Yeah, that's another entrance there. Going to the monument. Hope that you will also drop a like and subscribe to my channel so that way you will going to be automatically updated to my next videos. Oh my god, look at that, guys. That is the lizard. Look at the lizard, guys. See that? Welcome to Japanese Shrine, Valencia Negros Oriental. The map of the Philippine island. It's fading, guys. So sad. That's the Basay. So we really cannot see it properly. The Bakong Tree House, Bakong Valencia Santa Catalina, and the Niludhan Falls. There's a lot to explore here in Negros Oriental, guys. So yeah. So once again, welcome to Japanese Shrine, Valencia Negros Oriental. Welcome, welcome. It's gonna be raining pretty soon, probably, guys. And the weather is cloudy now.
Moments later.
working on one.
Yeah.
Get one and we will try it.
Tagpila na siya, sir.
No hot stuff.
Overload ni. 6 pesos? 160?
Probably, but none of that. No hot things in it.
No hot things. Okay, kana niya. Kaning overload lang. Isa lang ka-order. One overload. Yeah, it looks nice. Look guys, hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel again guys. That's just how they did it, like that. Quesadilla is it's extra salsa, and that's their terpeline for their product here.
Did you order it? You did, right?
Yes, I did.
Thank you for that.
Looks delicious guys, look at that, how he made it.
Oh, it is hot.
Oh my god, it's hot on my hand.
Hot.
It's hot.
Not that bad.
That's it guys.
You didn't eat earlier. We can go get more. Whatever you want to get.
Just going to walk around and find something, whatever we can. It's delicious. Perfect. We're here at the back, guys. Our diet, guys, is over because we're going to buy a lechon after this. Gonna go and get some fruits and vegetables out there. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys, so that way you're going to be updated for my upcoming videos to upload. And thank you as well for my subscribers out there, and for my new friends here in YouTube. Thank you as well, guys, and have a great day. Just enjoy watching. There are riders here, guys, that they're going to go for a ride. So this is the situation here every Sunday, guys, and has a stalls or a tables along the road where people can just find what they are going to buy here. And yeah, it's different kinds of ukay bags and house things, plants as well. Nice shoes pambata, te.
Ma'am. Kani ma'am.
Oh, this one, tama. And now I got it, guys. For 100, guys. Let's buy.